Making a plan for your day can mean the difference between wasting hours on distractions or finishing every task with time to spare. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn a blank Google Sheets spreadsheet into a simple daily plan that will be your new best friend. You'll be able to list out all your tasks, add categories, set start and end times, view the duration, and check off each task as you make progress throughout the day. And so if you're ready to get organized, then let's begin with a blank Google Sheets spreadsheet. Start in cell B2 and type in task, then category, start, stop, duration, and done. Then select all the headers and bold the font. Next, click here in between the row and column headers to select all cells in the worksheet. Set the vertical alignment to middle and the horizontal alignment to left. Then below the headers, type in some sample data like so. After that, select the range G3 through G20 and go to Insert, Checkbox. Then select columns F and G and change the horizontal alignment to center. Now for the duration formula. Select cell F3 and type in the following: equals, if function, or function, D3 equals, quote, quote, next argument, E3 equals, quote, quote, close parentheses, next argument, quote, dash, quote, next argument, E3 minus D3, close parentheses, and press enter. The result will probably look something like this. To change this to a duration format, select cell F3, click the More Formats button, which is the 1, 2, 3 you see here, and select Duration. Then click on this blue dot, which is called the Fill handle, and drag to copy the formula down to cell F20. Now, how does this formula actually work? Well, first, the if function runs a test. It uses the or function to check if either the start or stop time is equal to nothing, or in other words, is blank. If either one is blank, the or function will return true. If both are not blank, however, then the or function will return false. Now, if the if function sees true, it will return the second argument, which is a dash. But if the if function sees false, it will return the last argument, which is the stop time minus the start time, to give you the duration of the task. Now, this task list is functional at this point, but it doesn't look that great. So now we're going to add some colors and formatting to make it look like this. To start, turn off the grid lines by going to View, Show, and uncheck grid lines. Then click in this box called the Name box. Type in 1 through 1000 and press Enter. Right-click on the row headers, resize rows, set the size to 30, and click OK. Then increase the font size to 12 and set the fill color to light gray 1. Next, select B2 through G20. Click the Fill Color button and choose Reset. Then select column B, right-click, resize column, set the size to 250, and click OK. Select columns C through F, right-click, resize columns, set the size to 175, and click OK. After that, select B2 through G2, set the fill color to light blue 3, select F3 through F20, and set the text color to dark blue 2. Then click the Fill Color button, click the plus to create a custom color, enter the hex code F9, 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 and click OK. Next, select B2 through G2 again, click the Borders button, change the border color to dark gray 1, and click this to apply outer borders. Select B2 through G20. Click the Borders button again, and apply outer borders. Then select B3 through G20, click the Borders button, change the color to light gray 2, and click this to apply inner borders. Awesome. For the finishing touch, we're going to add conditional formatting that will gray out any tasks that are checked off. So go ahead and check a few boxes. Then select the range B3 through F20. Go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and under Format Cells If, select Custom Formula Is. For the formula, enter equals $, G3, which is the top cell with a checkbox. That's all for the formula, so under Formatting Style, set the fill color to None, set the text color to gray, and finally, click Done. Now with your spreadsheet ready to go, you can plan out your day from the start, stay on track, and make the most of your time. Also, if you like the idea of creating a task dashboard for even more organization, then check out this video next to learn how to build it all the way from scratch.